Hey, welcome everyone. Tom here from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. It is 7:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on October 10th, 2024. And here we go, another Thursday, heading towards the weekend. Our analysis is going to start with dollar yen as always. We did hit our resistance point in dollar yen last evening that we talked about yesterday. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, go check it out. 149.60 was hit, and marketplace basically came off right down here at 148, 80 something, 75, something like that right now. So that's history. So now let's talk about the future. All right. Right now we have a resistance point in dollar yen coming in, and it's the same one as yesterday at 149.28. Okay, the real the level that is going to give us some trouble today, what it needs to get over is like right around 140. I got to take this guy off. Sorry, 149. 149.09 is the level that it needs to get through in order to attack this and attack the highs, and then potentially move back up to the 150.05 level. If it can't get back through 149.10, let's say, what we have to watch out for is this level is the critical price for today, 148.50. Falls about 100 points lower than the top that was established. There's no real relationship there. It's just really, if you look at this little consolidation point is where I'm getting that from. Okay, so if it breaks through 148.50, you're looking at the support at 148.25. If it goes through that, we're going back down to 147. 147.62-ish. So here's the market map, 147.60. Here we go. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. 147.64. That's close enough. 160 right there. 147.63, 64. So the important point to look for this morning is the break of this 149.10. That could show some strength up to, this is a pretty interesting price. If it gets through this, it's really actually showing strength to trying to take this top out. Full bid mode would be like, break a 150.05 today, and then we got the old upper levels above 150.05 at, let me see the volatility level I got, 150.05. I don't have anything until 150.80 after that. All right, so let's move on to good old sterling dollar. Sterling dollar has not changed. It's this 130.40 level, which is really important, right down there, 130.40. We also have that 131 like 10. I mean, it's just unbelievable. We've been talking about this level for like I believe like 2 days, like right here, 131. That's here we go, 131.10, 12, like that. We've been talking about it for a few days. It just has not been able to do it. Now, it's just really been in just a channel, right? I mean, we got a horizontal channel going right now. If we break 130.40, the next level of support is that all important 129.95 down here. So in order for sterling to show any type of strength, it needs to get over like 130, 110, 131.18. It's got to close above it. Queen's got to confirm. Then we're looking at 132.69 is more resistance, and then the 132.25. 132.25 is the next level of resistance. So that's the one that we got to really be, cautious of. I got, 132.29 is fine. So those are the levels that we, have to be cautious of today. Dollar yen is starting to approach, go up a little bit higher. And we're going to be working with sterling yen right now. Sterling yen's quite interesting. And we're going to get onto it right now. All right, sterling yen's sitting at 194.90. It went through the upper resistance at 195.05. It now obviously has a resistance at one. Actually, the new resistance is coming in at 195.63, right there. That's the new resistance for sterling yen. If it breaks 194.49, this marketplace is heading back down to 193.90 and 193.36. It needs to get up above really this 195.65 to show any type of real potential strength. This is all going to depend on dollar yen and sterling dollar. If sterling dollar can get pinned, stay at like say 130.80 and dollar yen continues to rally, then sterling yen is going to go higher. There's the next level of resistance in sterling yen like 196.35. I'll give an update if we're breaking these levels and it's showing really a bid type of nature. Right now, I don't really believe the hype yet. I think that we could, come up to, like, let's use my 1, 2, 3s. I think we could come up basically up into here again, and then marketplace come back down to that level. I'm not really believing the hype yet. For the simple reason we weren't able to sustain the rally. If we were able to sustain the rally, I'd say, yeah, there's something going on here that is really showing it's really bid. The first level, 195.05, needs to get through that. If it can hold above that, it's got to get through this 195.63 to show strength to get up to the 196.10.15 level. So let's move on over to Euro Yen. Another interesting one. All right. Let's get off the 1, 2, 3s. We don't need that right now. Euro Yen popped a resistance level. Queen could not confirm. She pushed back down. Right now, as we stand, Euro Yen needs to get above 163.10. Let's go 163.11, saying 10.11 like that. 163.11. If Euro Yen could crawl above 163.11, then it's going to try to push back to the 163.50 level. This is kind of like, this was actually the stronger one. It was actually stronger than sterling yen last couple of days. It's really, again, going to be dependent on, dollar yen, if it could sustain the rally. If dollar yen can't, if there's some sellers that come in, then Euro Yen is basically going to push down to 162.40. If it breaks 162.40, you're looking at 161.63 again, same levels that we had. If we can get above 163.11, and this is really resistance. Okay, so up in here is resistance. If we could get through this resistance, okay, we're looking at like 164.10, like up in here, 164.10. If it can't do that, if what I expect it to do, and this is just bias, this is personal bias, and this is just what I'm thinking. And if the marketplace is not doing this, I'm definitely not going to pursue something that's not happening. So what I'm thinking is that we could possibly potentially push up a little bit, maybe to 163.35, and then back down through the support. And maybe if we take this low out right here, then we're going to that 162.40. And if I'm fortunate enough, if I'm right, and again, this is bias, I'm just going to be watching the marketplace price action. If the marketplace can get up to here, and then if it breaks this, then I'll be in, obviously I'll be in really good shape, because I believe that I'm going towards 160.180, and that's, that's cool enough for, a Thursday morning. So anyway, if you like what you see, please smash the like button, subscribe, share the videos far and wide, because we want to build a huge trading community. And also head on over to parkavenuetrading.com. Get yourself a free ebook. You're not going to regret it. It's a really good book. And always remember, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.